A warm welcome once again to one and all gathered here for a very special occasion, the reveal of our Inter-BCG Designer Jersey Competition, an initiative that brought together the creative brilliance of 5 branches of our Gurukul with 5,000 plus students, parents, teachers and staff showcasing their unique spirit and design excellence. We are honored to have with us today our respected management member, our director, Mr. Jay Patel, Ms. Poonam Arora, Principal of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri West, Ms. Meenakshi Kilpadi, Principal of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan International School, Malad, Ms. Rochelle Burgess, Principal of Veer Bhagat Singh International School, Mave Road, and Ms. Manisha Xavier, Principal of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East, hosting this program. We also welcome Ms. Madeline Fialo, member of our HR team. A very warm welcome to the students who submitted the top 5 winning designs with their parents, the heads of information and PR, sports teachers and sports captains of Bombay Cambridge Gurukul schools, school coordination committee members and the PTA members of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East, and the student council and students of Andheri East present here. Thank you for joining us. We begin this exciting hour of celebration and recognition, which is being live streamed to students and parents across all our BCG schools. So a warm welcome to everyone watching this. To begin this event on an auspicious note, I invite the students whose designs were selected among the top 5 in the Designer Jersey competition to please come forward to light the lamp. Jay Laheja, Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East. Shruti Dalvi, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan International School, Borivali. Anvi Parab, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan International School, Borivali. Mohammad Raza Nagori, Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri West. A round of applause for them. As we move forward with the proceedings, I request the Principal of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East, Ms. Manisha Xavier, to address all of us.
A very good morning to a respected member of the management, Jay Patel sir, principals of all our 5 schools, HIPRs of all our 5 schools, members of the HR and CEDP, parents, teachers, and of course, the showstoppers of today, my dear students. A very warm welcome to you all to this unique and one of its kind celebration, the unveiling of BCG Sports Jersey. I call it unique because it is for the first time that we see a confluence of this magnitude and quality where sports, unity and creativity come together on one stage. Yes or no? Yes. Students look happy. I cannot see that happiness on your face. You're all looking so serious. Yes. So as I said, at BCG, we have always believed that sports is not just a co-curricular activity. It is an integral part of education. Sports teaches us discipline, it teaches us resilience, teamwork, and the courage to strive for excellence. Every BCG school today is buzzing with the same passion and energy that we see on the sports field and we see equally in the classrooms. This importance we give to sports prompted our management to take this historic step to design and come out with a common jersey for all the students of BCG. This jersey is not just a uniform. It is a symbol of unity, identity, and sportsmanship. No matter which BCG school campus our students belong to, but when they will wear this jersey, they will stand together as one united family. The seed, the journey of this seed to this mighty tree that we are going to see today has been nothing but inspirational. Every stage, from the concept to the design, from the trials to the final selection, have been marked by creativity, collaboration, and commitment. Today, at this stage, I would like to congratulate all our students, teachers, parents who have participated in this contest with enthusiasm and ownership. I would also like to congratulate and express my gratitude to the team of HIPRs who have been working tirelessly behind the scenes to make this dream come true. So one round of applause for all the HIPRs. And today, finally the day has come for which we were eagerly waiting for. It is going to be a day which is going to be etched in our collective memory. It is going to be even more special for the winner of this contest, our master designer and our very own Jay Laheja and his parents. Today, Jay's parents will have the honor of unveiling this jersey. What a proud moment for them, for East, and for the entire BCG fraternity. Today onwards, this jersey will be worn with all sweat, spirit, and sportsmanship. Every student who wears it, remember students, you have to wear this jersey with honor and pride. Play fair, give your best, and dream big. Let's all celebrate this new chapter in the BCG sports journey with cheer and promise that when we wear this jersey, we'll wear it with honor and pride, both on and off the field. Thank you and God bless. It's my proud privilege and honor to invite our director, Jay Patel sir, onto the stage to address us all. Sir.
Good morning, everyone. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? I can't hear you all. Okay, so firstly, congratulations to Jay, our contest winner. Naam Roshan Kiya. I am Jay too. Nice to meet you. As well as Shruti, Swara, Mohammad, Raza, for your time, efforts, and creativity, and your design being selected among the top 5 designs across the BCG schools. I'm truly proud to stand before you today to speak to you something that is very central to the BCG philosophy, which is student unity and student pride. Our school is not just a place where children come to learn subjects, it is a community where they learn to grow together, support one another, and celebrate each other's strengths. One of the most powerful ways we build this unity is through events that the schools host, whether it is academic competitions, cultural programs, or sports tournaments. Each event brings our students together, teaching them teamwork, respect, and the joy of a shared achievement. Until now, most of our events have been local in nature, restricted to individual schools. With this contest, we brought together the entire BCG universe. So what if some of our students don't actually make it to the teams or aren't that great at sports? The thought of the contest was to make sports inclusive for everyone. When our team hits the pitches, the turfs and the courts this year, they will know that the t-shirts that they are wearing are the efforts of thousands of children, many parents, and the staff across BCG. They know that they carry a responsibility, the pride, and the wishes of thousands of students across the BCG universe. But most of all, these t-shirts carry a central philosophy of every child matters. So win, lose, gold medals, or participation awards, laugh or cry, it won't just be the 12 or 13 kids on the pitches and the turfs. It'll be every student sharing in both victory and in loss with them. So while academics form the backbone of education and we recognize that sports are equally important, sports instill discipline, resilience, and leadership, qualities that prepare our students for life beyond the classroom. By encouraging sports alongside academics, we are giving every student the chance to discover their hidden talents, to learn balance, and to understand that success is not only measured by grades but also by character and spirit. This year, we are taking a step forward, pushing sports even more for all our students, not to take away from academics but to strengthen it. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. And when students experience both intellectual growth and physical well being, they truly become well rounded individuals. Two BC schools last year topped the Sports for All event in Mumbai, with our Borivali school topping it was the topmost school in Bombay for SFA, and our Malad school was the first time they were participating. They came up to number 5, which is a big accomplishment, to be at number 5 for your first participation. Sorry, last 2 paragraphs. So seeing this talent and dedication of our students, we reintroduced Athline this year. Do a lot of you all know what Athline is? We had stopped it about 2 or 3 years ago. So the whole reason for starting Athline back this year is to identify, nurture, and further strengthen our talent pool. Together, let us continue to create a school where unity thrives, where sports and academics walk hand in hand, and where every child feels empowered to shine in their own unique way. Thank you all. Congratulations to the winners again, and we look forward to many more such central events happening so students across the universe can meet each other, the staff across our universe can meet each other, and the parents across our universe can meet each other. Thank you everyone. Have a lovely day. And thank you for making the rain.
We sincerely thank our director, Mr. Jay Patel, for his support, his thoughtful words, and for motivating our students. Thank you, Manisha ma'am, for your words of wisdom and for encouraging all the students. Let's quickly take a moment to revisit this vibrant journey. This year, the BCG management took an innovative step in redesigning the sports team jerseys by involving the entire BCG community, students, teachers, parents, and ancillary staff, and launching a design competition. The response was nothing short of incredible, with over 5,000 entries pouring in from all corners of BCG. The shortlisting of entries per school was a monumental task undertaken by the art teacher, sports teacher, and the heads of school. From these, the core team, comprising the management, heads of information and PR, and our social media partners from Reach and Teach Learning Solutions, evaluated the shortlisted designs, which were then presented to the BCG heads of school and school admins, followed by all the students and parents and teachers for voting. From the initial concept sketches to the final submissions, the competition brought out immense talent and originality from all participants, capturing the BCG values, sportsmanship, and identity. Let's take a look at the journey captured in a little over the minute. And now, the moment we are all waiting for. Presenting the creative mind, the winner of the BCG Designer Jersey competition, a huge round of applause for Jay Amit Laheja of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East, a truly talented student whose creativity has shone through and whose design has been adapted to create an incredible sports jersey. I invite Jay Laheja and his parents to please step onto the stage with our director, Mr. Jay Patel, and our principal, Miss Manisha Xavier. Members in the audience, get ready. The highlight of the event is upon us. Hold your breath. It's time for the grand reveal. Drum rolls, please, as I now request them to unveil the sports jersey that will officially represent BCG sports team and athletes moving forward. Give it up for Jay Laheja. This is a milestone event in BCG history. A wonderful adaptation of Jay Laheja's design that captures the spirit of the BCG logo in a vibrant and meaningful way. We're sure the 500 plus sports persons who will represent the BCG schools at external sports competitions will be proud to wear it and that it will inspire them to give their best at the event. I request Manisha ma'am to please felicitate Jay Laheja with a certificate and his sports kit as a token of appreciation.
Jay, I want you to open your t-shirt. There's a small surprise in this for Jay. I'm not aware if he knows what it is, but it's a gesture of our students, our sports, our athletes taking the students with them onto the field. So, and of course for the hard work that all our students have put in. Okay? Give me the shots. Hold your t-shirt. What do you see at the back? No, what do you see at the back? Above the number. So what we've done is we've taken Jay's signature and that'll go across every jersey on the BCG universe. Turn it around. So you will see there's a JAL right there. And we hope that this is just the beginning of these kind of inclusive events. And we'll do more.
Thank you, Jay sir. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Laheja. Thank you, Manisha ma'am. Now, I invite Jay Laheja to share a few words with us about his design and what this moment means to him.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and friends. I feel very proud to share about my jersey design and happy that it has been adapted as the BCG sports jersey. The main inspiration for me was our Gurukul logo. It has powerful symbols like flame, the waves, the leaves, and I wanted the jersey to bring the spirit of BCG. I wanted the jersey to show energy, nature, and spirit of BCG. I felt colors should represent brightness, peace, and freshness. I placed the wave and the leaves on the jersey to show movement, teamwork, and growth. The BCG logo is also printed, which reminds us that whenever we wear this jersey, we represent our Gurukul proudly. This jersey is more than just a sportswear. It represents our unity and the values of our Gurukul proudly. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay. That was really nice of you. Esteemed guests, including our young students, let's take a moment to celebrate the talent of the other top 4 student designers. Please join me in giving them a big round of applause. I now invite them to step forward one by one as I call out their names to proudly receive their well-deserved kits from their principal. To start, I kindly request Ms. Poonam Arora, Principal of Bombay Cambridge International School, to please step on the stage. And Mohammad Raza Nagori to please collect his certificate and his kit. Yes, the parents, I request Mohammad's parents to please join him. Kindly open your kit, Mohammed. This was Mohammad's design, okay, and he has got a kit of his design. Loud applause. So I call upon Miss Rochelle Burgess, Principal of Veer Bhagat Singh International School, to hand over the kit to Shruti Dalvi and Anvi Parab from Dr. S. Radhakrishnan International School, Borivali. I request their parents to step forward as well. So Shruti receives the jersey, the one that she had designed in this competition. Loud applause. Students, come on. I request ma'am to also hand over the kit to Anvi Parab. And a round of applause for Anvi's design. I request Meenakshi ma'am to please collect Swara's certificate and kit. Just in time, ma'am. We are really glad you could make it, Swara. Loud round of applause. And this is Swara's design. once again, students, give it up for Jay Laheja, Shruti Dalvi, Swara Surve, Anvi Parab and Mohammad Raza Nagori. With this, we come to the end of our event. On behalf of the organizing committee, we extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this event a success. To the management, principals, and core committee members of BCG for their vision, guidance, and unwavering support. School coordination committee members who consistently stand by us for every event. Members of the Department of Center of Education Design and Publishing for their valuable help in adapting the winning design. The art and sports teachers for helping us with the key task of shortlisting the entries. The heads of information and PR of all 5 schools for their dedicated effort. And Team Reach and Teach Learning Solutions. A loud round of applause for Team Reach and Teach Learning Solutions. Our partners and technical assistants for being with us every step of the way from the event's conception to the successful execution today. I would also like to thank the teachers and ancillary staff of Bombay Cambridge International School, Andheri East for their help in putting this event together, and the technicians, electricians and sound team whose behind the scenes efforts ensured that everything ran smoothly. Last but not the least, the students, teachers, office and ancillary staff members and parents of Bombay Cambridge Gurukul. A big thank you for the valuable time, thoughtful efforts and the lively spirit you brought to this competition. Let this essence of community continue to thrive. Let the sense of togetherness stay with us. Because no matter what, at the end of the day, we are all proud BCGians.